Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add transitions in Google Slides. So if you want to do it, first you need to open your presentation and you need to select the slide where you want to add transition. For example, I select the first slide and after that I need to go to transition settings. This option will let me to change transition and set it in the slides. How you see on default it is set to none, so if you want to change it you need to click on this list and here we have different types of transition. I recommend you to set here fade, it is a really great effect, but of course you can try other types of transitions if you want. So I set here fade and now I can adjust the duration of this transition. So on default it is set to this one, but of course you can decrease this value, for example, to medium or slow, everything depends on your preferences. I will select here maybe 1 second. And then if you want to apply the transition to all of the slides, you need to click on this one option, apply to all slides. Then you will see here the special icon, which means that transition have been successfully added to slides. So now if you want to check how it works, you can click play button. And then you'll be able to see the transitions, yeah. So how you see everything works correctly. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.